I and my friend love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
Collecting trash is fun.
I know! We should do it more often. It keeps Rumuri village clean.
Absolutely.
Let's visit Wakame and see what he is doing. Oh, what is happening?
I don't know. Something terrible is happening.
Help! Help! Help!
Oh no! Wakame is in danger. Do something!
No, you do something.
Thank God you're here.
Wakame, you scared us.
Are you okay? What is happening?
There's something in my house. It's big and so huge. It almost ate me.
What is it?
It's a mouse.
Really? A mouse?
No, just a mouse. It's a big mouse.
I'm not afraid of mice. Come on, let's get it out.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Can I help?
Here, take these binoculars.
What do I use them for?
You will use them to locate where the mouse is. Just tell us the directions, all right?
All right.
If you see a mouse going this direction, you will tell me that it's going to the left. This is the left. It is called the left side.
Okay.
I am not able to see the mouse. It's on top of the cupboard. That's why I want you to locate it for me, all right?
But what about other directions?
Oh, okay. This is the right side. When that mouse goes this side, you just yell, "It's going on the right! Catch it on the right!" All right?
It's going on the right. Catch it on the right.
Come on, let's go. Keza, you stand behind me. You will help Gaju.
All right.
Oh, shh. You, shh, go.
Oh, it's moving. It is moving.
Where?
To the right.
That's not right. It is on the left. The left. Catch it on the left.
It's moving again.
Where?
To the right. Catch it on the right.
Shh, go away. You're not my friend. Go, Endereya. Go.
Oh, I caught it.
Oh, it's so small.
And super cute.
Okay, it's time to let it go. Phew, that was exhausting.
But it was fun. I enjoyed it.
No, I did not. It was scary.
Wakame, apart from left and right, is there any other directions?
Of course, there are many other directions.
Oh, really?
Yes, there's also between.
Oh, I know between.
I know it too. Because Keza is in the middle, it means that she is between me and Wakame.
Brilliant! There's also on. Remember when you saw the mouse for the first time?
Yes.
The mouse was on the book.
Oh, it was sitting there.
Exactly.
Oh, look at the birds. They are over the tree.
Yes, but we don't say over, we say above.
We're also sitting under the tree. So, we are below the tree.
Yes, that is correct.
Ah, above, below, above, below, above, below.
Oh! Oh!
Above,
Below,
above, below, above, below, above, below.
Hey, left and right, in front, behind.
Left and right, in front, behind. Left and right, in front, behind. Left and right, in front, behind.
Oh, look, Mr. Mouse is back.
Ay, 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 ay.
Quiz time! Yes!
Question 1. Which direction is this? The direction is right. You are correct. Question 2. The birds are below the tree. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. The birds are above the tree. You are correct.